So question 17, we've got a third expression in the denominator and we're asked to form it into an expression without a denominator. So we have to rationalize this denominator such that we get an integer on the bottom, which will presumably cancel because it's indicated that it will do. And to do that, we have to multiply this by a modified version of 1. I say that because we cannot change the value of this fraction. And to get rid of this root 5, I multiply it by root 5 plus 1. But I must put the same value on the top here, or I will change the value of our original expression. So multiplying these brackets out, root 5 times root 5 is 5. Negative 1 multiplied by positive 1 is negative 1. The underneaths, I've got a negative root 5 here and a positive root 5 here, and as planned, they will cancel each other out, so that's the denominator. So I'm going to say that is equal to, coming right down here, 4. Okay, now the numerator, well, that's a lot simpler. We're just multiplying 8 by both these elements in the bracket. So I get 8 root 5 plus 8. And as I hoped and predicted, the 4 cancels with that 8 and that 8, leaving 2 and 2. So our answer is 2 root 5 plus 2. And that will be your answer.